think of this like it's the day chart. Now, obviously, you're going to go through all sorts of weird stuff, especially in the entry, right? Because these are little micro movements. If I zoom in on this, let me zoom in, right? So in the very beginning, just like our regular trade, okay, in the very beginning when we enter the trade, which is somewhere in here, right? You might be like, damn it, because of what the next day it pulls that little candle. And some of you are like, I can't do it. That's not the move there, Chief. You had a very good indication. It came down, it went up. The trend is to the upside. VWAP, or I'm sorry, the day EWO, everything looks good. All you've got to do is stomach through the first couple of days of this trade, right? So you've got to be able to stomach it. And it's the same thing on the swing trade as it is in your day trade. In your day trade, you guys would be panicking up a storm because it pulled back and it might have went red. And you're like, I don't know if that was the right decision. And then you sell. And guess what? That as soon as you sell it, just like you guys will do in the day trading, right? If you're anywhere in here, let's say you got in this, pulls back, you're like, you know what? I can't do it. You get out, buy, right?
Coach, do channels apply in the long term like this? Is that something you can chart out?
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, absolutely. It's always going to give you key critical areas, right? Here, let's chart it. You guys ready? Let me kill all these lines. Let me show you. And I know we're on borrowed time, but watch. So you're going to do the same thing. Now, listen, the more you get away from where you got, where you entered, the less you need to worry. So don't be playing the move up, move up, move up, move up, move up game. This is not scalping. Just like I tell you not to do that on your 2-minute EWO, right? If you keep hearing people say, I got stopped out, guess who's playing with their stops? Right?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be doing that all the time. The stop is to protect you in the entry of the trade. Now watch. There's your low. There's your next big critical level. There's one right there. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. There you go. There's your channel. See them?
Yeah. Beauty.
Yep. And that's it. So we got here, 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 all of this traffic here, here. You can see it here. All of this right here, over here. You got this right here. You can see this belt here. You got this right here, and you got this here. See it? Yeah, absolutely. And look, you can see right where some of those really come into play. Because look, here, here, here. Guess where it came back, right? So we had if you're looking at it here to here, there's a triple, right? But it broke, just like in day trading, right? It broke. You're like, yes, next level. And guess where it wanted to go right back to? Ding, ding, ding. And then it tried to go up again. Then guess where it went right back to? Ding, ding, ding. So you guys can all see on Apple right now, you would have this 174.83. I mean, obviously, I'd have to try to get it to the exact penny, but you can see this is a major level, right? So this would be gold. So that is how you will swing trade or long-term invest trade or options trade or shares trade. It's the same thing. Follow each one of these EWO levels just like you would if you guys were doing, right, a regular day trade. Now, look, same thing here. Look at this chop. Look how many times the colors change. See it? So sometimes it's not going to be all easy, street, and lovely, just like day trading. Think about this. You get in, there's a winner. You lost, right? I'm just going to say it just because who knows? You got in, you barely made money, you lost. That one didn't make enough. You got in this one, you barely made enough. You get in this one, home run. See it?